Hi everyone, I'm coming to you from my bathroom today and I'm going to show you how to do the double pin-up so that you have really soft waves at the end of the day and you don't have to waste time using an iron. Let's get started. So my hair is almost dry. I'm going to spritz a little bit of Philip B thermal protection spray on before I hit it with the dryer. After your hair is either partially dried or fully dried, whichever way you want to do it, you want to make sure that your hair is tangle free. So just smooth that out and then you want to part it. So let's part it out. You do not have to be as technical as this. I just want to do it neat. So once you have your hair sectioned out, you want to do your twist. You can put this a little bit further back in the head. You can put it a little bit higher, however you want to style it. I kind of like always pull out a little bit just so it's a little more balanced on the top of my head, if that makes any sense. Take the small pin upside down, take a small section, glide it underneath the bun. There you go. And then just pull out a little bit more. Okay, so we've got our top knot already done. Now you just want to take the rest of your hair, pull it back into that pony. I'm going to use the lilac pin today. So you just take your pony and wrap it up in the Cinnabon. By the way, my kids think it's so funny that I say Cinnabon, constantly making fun of me. Take your pin upside down, anchor it, glide the points underneath the bun and across the scalp. And there you go. So you are ready to go to the office, you're ready to run your errands, you're ready to sit at your desk, and I will see you at the end of the day. So I am back. I ran around doing some errands. I had a couple Zooms. I sat at my desk and around like 4.5 hours later, let's pull it out. Starting with the back one first. And by the way, you know what's also great about having your hair up? When you're ready to go out, your hair smells like you literally just washed it. I'm gonna smooth out the hair. I'm gonna use a little Milbon hair oil just to smooth it out a little bit more. Now I'm gonna hit it with some Philip B thickening finishing spray. Because I love big hair. My hair falls so quick, so there you have it. I got my hair done and I didn't even really do it. Sat at my desk. And I'm ready to go out. So try this at home. Let me know what you think, and I will see you soon.